Ever wondered if you could manage your personal finances internationally with ease? Or perhaps you're a freelancer looking for a seamless way to get paid from clients around the globe. Today, we're diving into a question that many people have. Does Airwallex offer personal accounts? Airwallex, a fintech giant, has revolutionized the way businesses handle cross-border transactions. With its sleek platform and innovative solutions, it has become a popular choice for startups and established companies alike. But what about individuals? Can you, as an individual, leverage Airwallex's power to simplify your financial life? The core question: personal accounts. Let's address the elephant in the room. Does Airwallex offer personal accounts? Unfortunately, as of now, Airwallex primarily caters to businesses. Their platform is designed to meet the complex needs of corporations, including multi-currency accounts, payment gateways, and expense management tools. Why the focus on businesses? You might wonder why Airwallex hasn't ventured into the personal finance market. While it's a lucrative segment, the company's core strength lies in its ability to handle intricate business needs. The complexities of international taxation, compliance, and risk management are areas where Airwallex excels. Alternatives for individuals. So, if Airwallex isn't the answer for your personal finance needs, what are your options? Traditional banks. While they offer personal accounts, they often come with hefty international transaction fees and slow processing times. Digital banking apps. These apps have gained popularity for their user-friendly interfaces and lower fees. However, their international capabilities can vary. Other fintech solutions. Several fintech companies specialize in personal finance and international payments. Research options like Wise, Revolut, and TransferWise to find the best fit for your specific needs. The future of Airwallex and personal accounts. While Airwallex currently focuses on businesses, it's always worth keeping an eye on their future developments. As the fintech landscape continues to evolve, we may see Airwallex expand its offerings to include personal accounts. While Airwallex doesn't offer personal accounts at this time, it remains a powerful tool for businesses. For individuals seeking international financial solutions, consider exploring traditional banks, digital banking apps, or other fintech companies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.